You could never do this. Whoa, that car is so dirty. Must have been sitting out for a long time without being washed. So far I could do this, I think. There's an S and then like, what on earth is this? What are they drawing? Oh, are they two birds hugging? I feel like I could do this just by watching. If you showed me the drawing, I would be lost. I would not be able to recreate it. Well, maybe I'd recreate it, but if you said draw two birds hugging, it would not look like this at all. So I got to respect him there. But I feel like I could copy him probably.